asuntoskeittiö Suvantola. Yeah.
The first staircase A here, and hopefully we get to staircase B as well. This building dates back to 1904, and the elevators were built in 1934. They made good space for the elevator. Because these three versions of the Pietarinkatu and civilization 1863 modernized in 2004 with evergreen features and 4 floors. No, 2005, so then this is the beginning of 2005.
Yeah.
Staircase A is, or B, I think B is late 2004 modernized.
Yeah.
So it's the right. So they were modernized at the turn of the year, 2005. I like the sunset that's smelling here.
The same here.
And the staircase is very beautiful.
Yeah.
Siinä on ollut rikosvuori Helsingissä vuosina ja Finland. But also the modernization here is quite unnecessary too, because additions were very rare in the 1930s, but even more rare in the 1940s.
This did back maintained by backup services.
You still have those antique buttons.
Yeah. And just 4 floors.
Mm-hmm. Another reason why this modernization was also unnecessary.
Yeah.
Still was worth to right. The original metal plate was changed also. That metal plate was maybe changed in 2004.